What if I told you you could save 5 to 8 hours every single day using just one AI tool? Not by working harder, but by letting AI do the thinking, organizing, and research for you. Students are using it, content creators are using it, even professionals are quietly using it to get ahead. And the shocking part? Most people are still stuck copying and pasting from Google. The tool is called NotebookLM, but this is not like normal AI tools. It doesn't just give random answers. It works with your own sources, your own documents, your own knowledge base. So instead of searching again and again, you build your own AI-powered workspace. Let me show you exactly how this works step by step. Step 1. Get started with NotebookLM. Before we dive into building your knowledge base, let's make sure you're ready as a first-time user. Open your browser and search for NotebookLM on Google. Click the official link and sign up using your Google account. It's quick and secure. Once logged in, click the Create button to start a new assignment or project. Now you're ready to add your source material. You can upload PDFs, research papers, or articles, paste links from websites or YouTube, copy and paste text from notes or documents. This is your first step in building your personal AI workspace. Everything you add will help NotebookLM understand exactly what you want to learn or create. Step 2. Build your knowledge base. Once your project is created, start uploading all relevant materials. For example, if you want to learn artificial intelligence or how to automate tasks with AI, normally you'd search multiple tabs, open endless articles, and copy and paste information manually. With NotebookLM, you just upload everything into one project: PDFs, articles, notes, links. Now your AI is trained only on your sources, no distractions, no irrelevant information. You've just created your personal AI knowledge system. Step 3. Ask questions like a human. Here's where the magic happens. You can ask NotebookLM, explain this topic in simple words. Give me the key points only. Summarize all sources in 5 bullets. What are the most important ideas? And here's the difference. It answers based only on the material you uploaded. So instead of getting random, inaccurate information from the internet, you get focused, accurate, and relevant answers. It's like having a personal tutor who has read all your documents. Wait, this is just the beginning. Let me show you how people are turning hours of work into minutes using this tool, down in the section. Step 4. Create notes and study material in seconds. Instead of manually writing notes or copying from multiple sources, you can now ask, create clean notes from all sources. Make a study guide for beginners. Highlight important concepts. Within seconds, you get structured, organized notes that are ready to use. Perfect for students, teachers, self-learners. No more confusion, no more rewriting. Step 5. Content creation made easy. If you're a content creator, NotebookLM can turn your research into actual content. You can ask, turn this into a YouTube script, create a blog outline, write a viral video idea. The tool will generate content based on your own sources, so it's accurate and ready to use. You save time, improve quality, and skip hours of tedious work. Step 6. Deep research and analysis. For deeper understanding, you can ask NotebookLM to explain this paragraph in detail, compare 2 concepts, find key insights from all documents, identify hidden patterns. It's like having a researcher, teacher, and assistant all in one. Step 7. Real-life use cases. Here's how you can use NotebookLM in everyday life. Study faster for exams, create YouTube videos, write blogs or articles, learn new skills efficiently, conduct business research. Basically, anything that involves information, thinking, and organizing. Conclusion. Instead of spending hours searching, reading, and organizing, you just upload once, ask smart questions, and let AI do the heavy work. People are saving 5 to 8 hours every day using NotebookLM. Engaging question for the audience. If you had this tool a year ago, how much time could you have saved? And what would you use it for? Studying, content creation, or business? Drop your answer in the comments.